Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And in this video, I will take a TA for XLM. I'll show it to you what's going on with XLM, and you can see it XLM momently on place number 11 on CoinMarketCap.com, and you can see it today minus about 1.2%. In the week, it's going up a little bit with 2.8%. Here is the 7-day chart. It's green. It's going slightly up here, and that's very nice. Here is the TA for trading view. Here is the technical analysis, and you can see it. We have on the 4-hour here a buy, and a buy. We have on the daily a buy, and a buy, and we have on the hourly a buy, and a buy. But in the 50 minutes we have a sell. So okay, it's working. It's not standing still here. Everything is nice. So for the main time here, or for the long time, everything is telling us buy that XLM, buy that Stellar. Let's check Stellar. Here is the daily chart for XLM versus US dollar. And that's a very nice thing. We are in a big uptrend. Okay, everything is working very nice. We had the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave upgoing, and we had the A, B, C correction now. Okay, everything is nice. Now it's the next thing. What's going on with the Elliott theory? We should see a wave number 1, maybe like this, a wave number 2, maybe like this, a wave number 3, maybe like this, 4, and a 5 wave. If we are going upwards here in this uptrend channel also. But that's magic glass reading for the future, not so important for the moment. I would like to show you something else today. Here on the other side is the MACD. It's the blue line under the brown line. And okay, that's a bearish thing for the daily chart. But now guys, I would like to show you something here for XLM. Here is XLM. I would like to remove all drawings. And here is the fresh XLM Stellar versus US dollar or versus USDT chart. And now guys, important for me, I would like to show you something special here. I would like to show you the Fibonacci Retracement. What's going on with the Fibonacci and the Stellar on the daily chart? Let's draw it from the highest point to the lowest point of this last dump here. And you can see it guys, very quick and very nice. We are here with the Fibonacci momently on 0.5. That's the next Fibonacci. Momently we are working, or we are fighting with XLM on 0.338. That's the point. We are momently working with XLM. And you can see it with these Fibonacci lines. We have very, very nice support lines here, and we have very nice resistance lines here. Yes, it's very easy, guys. Look at this. If you like to draw here resistance, this is a big resistance, and the resistance is always red. So you can see XLM reacted here on this Fibonacci line, the 0.236 line, and you can see it here on sometimes it's worked really nice. Here it spiked through, here it spiked through, it spiked through, it spiked 4 times through this line. Then we saw an upgoing wave, then we saw a retest of this line, and then the next are going here up and not retested this 0.236. So 0.236 is momently not a resistance, it's a support line. The support line is always green, and it's acting now as a support line, this Fibonacci line for XLM. The next one, if we zoom in a little bit, we're also on the daily chart, guys. The next line is here on, let me take a look about it, 0.38, and now Stellar is fighting with this. And for the daily chart, you can see it very, very important. It spiked here, it spiked here, it spiked here over the line, spiked again, never closed over the line, spiked again, and now it's fighting under the line, also with this line. Maybe it's fighting here in this price region. So the Fibonacci is very important for a fast overview for support lines and for resistances. You can see it, guys. The next big resistance is this Fibonacci here. Not drawn very well, but it's better now. That's the next big resistance for XLM on the US dollar chart because of the 0.5 Fibonacci level. So momently we are in the middle of these both Fibonacci levels and fighting against the 0.38 Fibonacci level here with Stellar. The quick overview for Stellar for the daily. So let's go deeper. Let's go here to the 4-hour chart with our drawings. And let's take a look about this. Let's turn on the EMA ribbon band and the MA21 band. And guys, let's check this for the daily also. Very important for the daily also. And yes, here we are. Take a look at this. This big fat orange line here is the MA21. And the MA21 is our resistance on the daily chart for XLM for Stellar, and Stellar is fighting against this. You can see it also here. It spiked through, here not, and here not. It's fighting against this EMA 21 line, and this is a big resistance for XLM for the moment. Stellar is in the ribbon band, fighting in the ribbon band on the daily, but this EMA 21 very big resistance. Sorry, the MA21, the MA21. So now let's go to the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart is showing us here this picture here, and the 4-hour chart is very nice, bullish because we are over the MA21. Bullish because we are over the ribbon band. It's still red, we have still a short position, but we are over this. But guys, very important, we are fighting with this downtrend. So XLM is now fighting with the downtrend, fighting with this price level 0.43. If XLM may break through this this downtrend and may break through this one to the upside, that would be a very nice sign for XLM for the next move here, for next upgoing move. But as long as we are in this downtrend, it's very big problem, sorry guys, for fight against this downtrend line. So resistance very clear, 0.43 for XLM for this short term, and we can clone it to the downside. You can see it, 0.37 is the big support here on the downside for XLM. You can see also this little yellow line here, the thin line. This is the EMA 200. So bullish thing, yes, XLM is over the EMA 200. Yes, Stellar is over the MA 21, but it's fighting with the downtrend momently, and we need to push through here. Let's check XLM versus BTC. And here we are. So guys, and that picture is a really bad picture. On the 4-hour chart, you can see it here. We are fighting with the downtrend. Here is the downtrend. We are still in the downtrend. Bearish for XLM. We had a big support here, this green line. Yes, we fight it back over this support. Perfect. We spiked here, and now we broke this support. So XLM is acting not so good momently as Bitcoin. If you would like to trade, it's better to trade with Bitcoin, not so good to trade with XLM. Why? You can see it here on the downtrend. XLM versus Bitcoin is on a downtrend, and that's very important here on the 4-hour chart. MACD is bearish. The MA21 is over our heads, bearish. The ribbon band is over our head, bearish, and the EMA 200 is also over our head, bearish. So guys, very bearish momently here for XLM. We can make one thing also, our lovely Fibonacci line. Yes, we can try it with this Fibonacci here. Fibonacci retracement from the highest side here to the downside to the lowest wick, like this one, and we can check it also, and you can see it here, guys. This Fibonacci here is working as a support momently. It's working extreme as a support, a very important support for XLM versus Bitcoin. Guys, so important. If you would like to trade XLM, watch at XLM versus Bitcoin, watch at these signs, the downtrend and this other stuff here. It's so important for XLM. You can see it here, my arrow for days or weeks here. The short position was here. We saw a big wick to the upside, but now we are down again and we are fighting again with Bitcoin. And as long as we are in this big downtrend, guys, it's not so good to trade it. That's very important here. So that's it for Stellar for the moment, for the time, for the long time. I think it's very hard to say. Because of this, we are in the uptrend. That's very nice. We are still in the uptrend. And as long as we are in the uptrend, it's okay. But we are in the downtrend of the uptrend, and we have to fight here over this point. That's for the next hours here, very important. 0.43. This very important resistance must fall here for XLM to see more move to the upsides in the direction of this middle line. And the middle line is also, guys, a very important resistance here. So if you can break 0.43, the next resistance 0.51 is the next resistance, and also the big next resistance is here for Stellar, this middle line here, this red line, like this here. That's the big resistance, 0.55. To the downside, 0.37 must hold for Stellar, must hold, very important to not fall down again more and more. Guys, that's it for XLM for the daily and for the near future. I wish you the best of luck. It doesn't matter if you are shorting or if you are going long here. I wish you make millions with your trade, guys. Have a nice time. Greetings. Your Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.